Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please ensure to like, share, and subscribe. And also click the bell notification in the top right-hand corner to be made aware anytime I upload tutorials or videos to YouTube. All right, let's craft together. Hey guys, it's a couple of things I wanted to jump on and just talk to you about. I'm not going to be crafting, but this is all related to crafting and some projects that I'm going to be doing on my channel. The first thing I wanted to tell you about is I don't know if you have a Ross in your area, but if you have a Ross, which is like a clothing shopping store, um, they have these pens that they are selling right now. It's 80 Kingart gel pens. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's 80 of them. I mean, just about any color you could possibly think of in here. And these will work in your Cricut maker, okay? So when I first tried it, I was like, it would work if it didn't have this little rubber grip. So if you guys can see that little rubber grip right there. So what I did was I took my little blade here and I just took the top off, and I took and I cut down where that little plastic piece is and removed it. So I'm going to show you here, and it's real easy to get it off, so just be careful. Just take it off, and then it will fit right into your Cricut maker. Okay, that's 80 gel pens, and they do not smear. So I've noticed that some gel pens, if you touch it immediately after it finished drawing, and if you touch it, it'll smear, the ink will smear. These do not smear, and they were $15 for 80 of them. Now I came home and I checked Amazon to see if Amazon had a better price on these. They do sell the Kingart pens, but I didn't see the 80. And even for the ones that were up to like 50, they were like 20 bucks. So if you have a Ross in your area and you want to be able to have more variety at a more cost efficient price, and I like how they um, open up here. So you can keep them all nice, neatly stacked in here. But that's 80 pens, guys. 80 for $15. So if you have a Ross in your area, check them out and see if you can grab you these pens. Again, you will have to remove the little plastic grip piece, but just take your little blade and just go through that plastic and pull it off. I trashed mine because I'm not gonna need it, because I don't really need these to write with. The Cricut maker will be doing all the writing for me. Christmas time is coming, Thanksgiving is coming, and if you're sending out holiday cards to people, then these pens will definitely come in handy, and you'll have a color for just about anything you could possibly think of, like absolutely anything, and I mean anything. 80 pens, $15 at Ross. Okay. The other thing is I haven't done epoxy in a long time because the epoxy that I get at Hobby Lobby stinks really bad. But I have a mask, and I have my eye shields and face mask and all that stuff. Um, but it still doesn't make me want to do epoxy. But I'm going to be checking out this new company, and they are called Diction, and that's Diction with the letter J in the front, Diction. So they actually have sent me an epoxy resin. They have sent me epoxy resin that I can try out to see if I like it. Now, this is the 16 ounce. This is the 16 ounces, and I'm just unboxing it to show you what all is going to come in here. But it's 1-to-1 ratio. So you have your A and you have your B, and the two of them together will make 16 ounces. So 8 ounces of each, 1-to-1 ratio. It's going to come with your little cups, pre-measure cups that you can measure in. And then I really like the fact that they have the, make sure I got it, these that you can put on and squirt it out instead of having to pour. So I really do like these. And then they come with the little tops that you can put back on when you're done to keep them from spilling. So you can change those tops out and put this on. You can pour or you can squeeze it. That's that. Again, 1-to-1 ratio. And then it comes with your little stirrers. It's got your little finger gloves that you can put on your finger to help smooth out the epoxy. And it's got your instructions in here, your little stir sticks. And I think it's got some little plastic bags in there. But it comes with all that. And just to tell you, it tells you that this is crystal clear, self-leveling, non-flammable, resist yellowing, which is really crucial. 40-minute work time. So you have 40 minutes to get this on your product. And the curing time is 24 to 48 hours, and it's no VOCs and low odor. So I haven't opened it yet, but I will let you know when I get ready to do this. And in addition to that, they sent me mica powders. Oh my God. When I tell you I have a mica powder color for anything I can think of. So I am so excited to test them out. But I'm going to show you here. These are the mica powders that they sent me. Look at that, guys. So many mica powders. Like, I can't even get all of them in my hand. I got so many of them. And if any of you have worked with mica powder before, awesome, awesome finishing product. And it doesn't take a whole lot. So these will last a long time. Okay. But just about any color I could possibly think of, they sent me. And I really like the fact that they sent like the little stirrer, little metal stirrer. Isn't that cute? Little stirrer there. To mix with the epoxy as well. So, and then it gives you, this was really, really great because this is the resin with Diction, and it gives you instructions for if you want to use the mica powder for using it with epoxy resin. So it has the instructions for using it with epoxy resin. It also has if you want to use the mica powder for handmade soaps, and if you want to use the mica powder for bath bombs, and you can also use it for makeup, and that's eyeshadow, lip balm, and powder. You can use the mica powder in making those things, and also for candle making and for slime for the kiddos. So it gives you all that information in here. And I like the fact that they sent this little packet of information, because a lot of companies nowadays, they send you their products and they don't give you any kind of instructions. It's kind of like fly by the seat of your pants. So far, really, really, really good. I will check the pricing for those of you that may be interested in purchasing from Diction, and I'll link them when I get ready to do this. But in the next day or so, I'm going to be actually using my epoxy resin here from Diction, and I'm going to be using my spinner. So for those of you that are new to epoxy and curious as to how it works, then follow me and you'll be able to see exactly how it is all done this week, because I'm going to be doing a tumbler. The good thing with epoxy resin is that you can just walk into Walmart and grab a tumbler. It's not, hold on one second. There we go. It's not like sublimation where you have to order sublimation blanks to sub on. So this I can go right into Walmart or Target, even the dollar store, and get a tumbler and put epoxy resin on it, okay? And I'll be using the mica powder so you guys will be able to see the entire process. And again, that's going to be, if not tomorrow, the day after. But sometimes before this weekend is up, I will be going in and using the Diction. And so you guys can see it again. Diction. Okay, and again, it is 1-to-1 ratio, 40 minutes of work time, 24 to 48 hours for it to cure. And I'm going to be anxious to see if it has a low odor, as it says, because I'll take anything over the products that I use in Hobby Lobby today. Okay, so I will get back with you on the pricing when I get ready to use it, and also on the odor and the smell to let you know if the odor is a low odor on that product as well. So I just wanted to jump on and share that with you. 80 gel pens, Kingart at Ross. Yes, Ross, what I've always thought was like a clothing store. So if you have a Ross in your area, check them out. Like I said, you can find Kingart on Amazon, but I didn't find 80 pens, and I only paid $15 for those 80 pens. Let me just Google it right quick and see if I see a Kingart 80 gel pens. Let me see if it comes up anywhere else because I only checked Amazon. Yeah, even on it, the first thing came up again was Amazon, and for 50 of them, it's $20.25. So that's a really good deal for 80 for $15. So check them out, and also Diction. Let me see if hold on one second. I'm going to refer you to their website, and I'll link them. I'll link them here. They are on Amazon. It looks like 2. Let me just be sure. Yep, they're on Amazon. So you can get the epoxy resin, 16 ounce, and it is $14.99 on Amazon. Okay, but I'll link the information in the description on this video as well. So I just wanted to come on and share that with you. You guys know I'll be crafting later, so I'll probably be doing a tutorial on whatever I'm crafting, because you know I normally do a tutorial on just about everything that I craft. I follow it up with a tutorial so that I can stop the questions of how did you do this and how did you do that, so I actually show you. Okay? All right, guys, that's my story. I'm sticking to it, and you guys know my motto is each one reach one so that each one can teach one. Hey, by the way, real quick, if you're currently following me on Facebook, in my Facebook group, Candoris's Cricut and Creative Crafters, thank you guys so much for supporting me via Facebook. And if you're not, and you would like to follow me, you can send me a Facebook group request to Candoris's Cricut and Creative Crafters. And it is a private group, so you do have to request to join the group. And then if you're currently subscribed to my YouTube channel, I want to thank you guys so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And if you are not subscribed, then please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well, as I would love to have you. Okay? And I do post tutorials often. That's all I'm going to say. Often. Okay? To help you learn how to do things like epoxy. Okay? All right, guys, that's my story. I'm sticking to it. And you know my motto is each one reach one so that each one can teach one. And you guys have a good day.